Hey everyone, and welcome back to our YouTube channel. So in this video, I'm going to be sharing with you how you can get unlimited traffic for affiliate marketing. So as an affiliate marketer, getting targeted traffic to your promotions is absolutely essential if you want to make any sales. But paying for ads can get expensive very quickly, which is why I rely heavily on free organic traffic sources like SEO and social media instead. So I'm going to break this down step by step and show you exactly what you need to do to start driving a lot of visitors to your affiliate links. Alright, so to start things off, we need something compelling to promote. So assuming you already have an affiliate offer and link ready to promote, the free traffic source we'll be focusing on is YouTube. YouTube gets over 1 billion visitors every single month, making it the second biggest search engine behind Google. And the best part is that you can leverage other people's existing content to drive free traffic to your links. And don't worry about that, we're not doing anything illegal or bad. This is free licensed content that we are allowed to use. So to show you what I mean, we can head over to YouTube and search for the offer niche plus the word compilation, for example. Next, we can filter the results to only show YouTube Shorts or short videos. And the reason is that these kind of compilation style videos tend to perform very well and get tons of views over time. Now keep in mind, if you don't want to be using your own videos and you want to reuse someone else's, they have to be licensed under Creative Commons. And this means it's 100% free for you to reuse. All you need to do is to give proper attribution to the original creators. And now we can go back and download a few of these viral compilation videos in your niche to use. You can simply use a site like this one to download YouTube videos in the quality that you want, since we will need the video file itself to adjust it or edit it further to fit our brand and channel. Next up, you want to head over to Canva and sign up for a free account. Canva is a free to use online graphic design tool. You can use it to create amazing social media posts, presentations, posters, edit your videos, create logos, and so much more all in one place with absolutely no graphic design skills needed. You can use a different tool if you prefer, but Canva itself is free to use, easy, and very intuitive, so I prefer it over anything else. So we can import the compilation videos that we just downloaded from YouTube and then upload them onto Canva. Use the editing tools to chop them into shorter clips, as shorter clips tend to keep the viewers engaged rather than getting bored watching a really long compilation video all the way through. And then you can place your affiliate link or an interesting call to action in the caption of each one of the short clips. Through Canva, we can easily edit or rebrand the videos to our own needs. And the goal here is piquing the viewer's curiosity so that they can click on your call to action interested to learn more about the videos or about something related depending on your audience. And once you've edited a few short videos, you can download them onto your device. And for the next step, we want to create a free YouTube channel centered around your offer niche. Come up with a compelling channel name and brand your page. This establishes you as an authority. And now all we want to do is to upload each short 1-minute clip that we've created with Canva on a very consistent basis. I would recommend publishing at least one new video every day if possible, and the more content you put out, the faster your views and subscribers will grow. YouTube will then begin suggesting your niche compilation videos to viewers who watch similar content, and this will drive more and more free traffic to your affiliate links over time. Of course, be sure to not only include your affiliate link in the description of every single video, but also pinned as the top comment. This dramatically boosts the click-through rates. Okay, so that was our first free traffic source. And onto the second one, we have Pinterest. As I'm sure you know, Pinterest is a massive visual discovery platform used by over 400 million people each and every single month. So this means that you have a massive audience to tap into. So definitely start by setting up a themed business profile centered within your offer niche, and then come up with a creative eye-catching pin designs that stop viewers in their tracks. For example, you can use Canvas templates again to create visually appealing thumbnails that instantly grab the attention, and incorporate engaging elements like bright colors, high quality lifestyle imagery, and enticing text overlay on each one of the pins. Remember, the more stunning and share-worthy your pins look, the higher your click-through rates and repins will be. And here is the unique strategy not enough affiliates are doing yet: directly linking to your affiliate offer within the actual image itself. Most people only paste an affiliate link in their Pinterest bio, which converts horribly. You can use a free tool like Linktree or Milkshake to generate in-image links and embed them seamlessly inside all your pin designs. So now when viewers see an interesting pin, they can simply click the call to action in that same image to instantly visit your money site or affiliate offer without even leaving Pinterest. And of course, this leads to much higher click-through and conversion rates. So definitely give these tactics a consistent try and you will notice a steady influx of website visitors and conversions. Thanks so much for watching this video. Let us know what you think of it in the comment section down below. And if you found today's video to be helpful or informative to watch, then give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel so that you don't miss out on any follow-up content that we can create related to this one.